In this video, I'll show you how to download and set up Pikashow in Amazon Fire TV Stick. Pikashow is a streaming app that many users search for when using an Amazon Fire TV Stick. People often look for it to explore different types of content in one place. However, the availability and behavior of the app can vary depending on your region, network connection, and device settings, so it's important to follow the correct steps carefully. Before starting, make sure your Amazon Fire TV Stick is properly connected to the internet and updated to the latest system version. A stable internet connection helps avoid loading issues during installation and setup. Now, turn on your Amazon Fire TV Stick and go to the home screen. Using your Fire TV remote, move to the top menu and select Find. From there, choose the Search option. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Pikashow slowly and check the search results carefully. If the app appears in the list, select it to open the app's page. On this screen, you'll be able to see the app icon, basic information, and the download button. Select Download and wait for the installation process to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download finishes, open the app directly from the same screen. When you open Pikashow for the first time, the app may take a short moment to load. This is normal, especially during the first launch. You may see a loading screen or a simple welcome interface. Follow any on-screen prompts so the app can open correctly. After the app loads, you can browse through its interface and explore the available sections. If some parts of the app take longer to load or don't appear immediately, this is often related to network conditions or location-based limitations. Many streaming apps behave differently depending on where you're connecting from. To keep your connection secure and private while using streaming apps on your Fire TV Stick, using a trusted VPN is always a smart choice. A VPN helps protect your online activity and adds an extra layer of security while you browse or stream content. NordVPN is a reliable VPN that works well with Amazon Fire TV Stick. It's easy to use, fast, and designed to provide a smooth and secure connection without interrupting your viewing experience. NordVPN also helps keep your data private and protects your connection on shared or home networks. Using a VPN like NordVPN can improve overall stability and give you peace of mind while streaming on your device. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.